Hey, it's Dale from quiltingcowboy.com. Just wanted to let you know that this pattern behind me, Stetson Cross, is now officially available for sale on my website. Just go to quiltingcowboy.com and then hit the shop tab. There you'll find the option to purchase the pattern, and you just download it directly to your computer, and embedded in the pattern is some links to tutorials that will walk you through it step by step. Anyhow, I hope you like it. It is one of my favorite patterns that I've ever created. I really like it. In the tutorial, I show you how to do a red version, which I will attach a few photos to this so that you can see what that option looks like as well. But I really, really love this quilt. I hope you do too, and happy quilting.